I was evaluating biocontrol agents for control against chili diseases in the Southwest. There's a lot of chili diseases that happen here in the Southwest. Phytophthora capsicum causes Phytophthora blight. It kills the entire plant. We have beet curlytop, which causes deformed leaves, stunted growth of the chili plants. Verticillium dilia causes verticillium wilt, and heat-stressed plants, it really wilts them. I mean, there's a lot of different diseases here in New Mexico, just like anywhere else, and we were looking at kind of natural ways with native Phytophthora species or native biocontrol agents that we could use to control these chili diseases. Phytophthora riparia, it's called riparia for a reason. It grows up in riparian environments. So like we isolated it from the Rio Grande watershed. So we inoculate the plants with Phytophthora riparia, and what we have discovered is that it triggers an immune response within the plant. So it's kind of like a vaccination, the same way that they might give you a weaker version of a virus so that your body can recognize it and can build up all these defense mechanisms against it. We inoculate the plants with the Phytophthora riparia. The plant recognizes it with a hypersensitive response, which is like a little local lesion or something like that, and from there it causes a systemic acquired resistance. The Phytophthora riparia triggers an immune response within the chili. The chili is better suited to handle any sort of pathogen that comes at it in the field. So at the end of our field trials, we take counts and we take weights. And what we have found is that we got both a 10% increase in counts and weights, so 10% increase in yield overall. So my plants that were treated were healthier, they looked better than the other plants that were not treated, and we got more chili out of them. My plants that were untreated, there was a lot more sick plants, and we got less yield out of those plants. The chili growers seem to be really interested in this type of research, and it's because chemical pesticides are failing them, and they want to look for other alternative methods that might be better on the environment and more affordable for them. So this is something that works, but it's not an end-all be-all at all. We need to use it with other types of pest management. It's called integrated pest management. Rather than one big hammer like pesticides are, we're using many little hammers, approaching it from a million different ways.
Eye on Research is a production of New Mexico State University.